Hey guys, welcome back. This is Anupama. So today I'm here to show you guys one more mirror wall decor which is made out of acrylic beads and wire. It is not at all complicated as it looks. Just give it a try and it is super easy to make. So let's get started. So these are the materials that are required to make this wall decor. First, take a mirror like this. You can easily get it in any fancy shop. Just remove the plastic frame to get the mirror out. It is not a perfect circle, but it's not an issue. And next you will be requiring a wooden slice like this, and those who are not having the wooden slice, you can even use cardboard, glue, scissors, and this is a fevicryl mouldit, and even you can use any other air dry clay, few multicolored acrylic beads. These are of square shape, you can even use round ones, the wire, and few acrylic colors. We will be needing 6 colors of acrylic beads: pink, brown, orange, green and red, each containing 7 beads. And we'll be needing a silver wire like this. This is of 0.3 mm. This is of 16 inches long. Just insert the bead and take it to the center of the wire, holding the ends. And just start twisting the wire. Give it like 10 to 11 twists. Separate the two wires. Take another bead and insert it to the one end of the wire. Leave an half-inch gap and bend the wire towards you. And again start twisting it. Start twisting. The same thing we have to do it to the other side. Insert the bead and leave an half-inch gap and bend the wire over the bead. And just twist it. It looks something like this. Now join both the wires again and give it a twist again. Now again separate the wires and follow the same process that we have done before. Now we are done with the pink color, and the same process will be followed to make other colors to form branches like this. Hold all of them together and give them a twist to form a bunch. Like this, we will be needing 10 bunches. This is the wooden slice which I am using it as a base. For those who are not having wooden slice, even you can use a cardboard or MDF boards and start painting it black. Only I have done painting for the front side. Now start placing the bunches over the back side of the wooden slice and adjust them accordingly. And stick them using the glue. Now take a canvas sheet like this and stick it over. Before sticking the sheet, as I need to hang this decor piece to the wall, I am sticking a jute twine to this wooden slice. And now apply fevibond all over the wooden slice. And then stick the canvas sheet over it. And let it dry for 4 to 5 hours. And this is how it looks. Now stick the mirror. Press it gently and let it dry. Now take some clay and start covering the edge of the mirror. And press the clay gently. And be careful that we should not form any stains on the mirror. Once the clay gets dried, paint it with metallic copper color acrylic paint. For one coat it is very light, so I had applied 2 to 3 coats. Now to cover the black portion, paint any simple pattern like this. Draw small leaves like this. This is the final look of our mirror wall decor. It's absolutely stunning. Now you can hang this anywhere so that it makes the place look much brighter by its vibrant colors. I completely love the making and it turned out to be very beautiful. Hope you guys also loved it. And guys, if you're not yet subscribed, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get the further notifications. See you in the next video. Bye bye.